When you're the sort of person that's always running around, it can sometimes be difficult to time out your laundry load. Well, the new Samsung Smart Washer has a laundry planner that can help you with that. To use it, make sure your appliance is connected to the SmartThings app and that Smart Control is turned on. If you need help with this, be sure to check out our video on how to pair your appliance with SmartThings. Tap on your washer in the SmartThings app. Next, tap Laundry Planner. If you need your laundry load done by a certain time, the app will suggest what types of loads you have time to do. If you know you'll be home to move your wet clothes to the dryer at a certain time, put that time into the app. To do so, tap the End Time. Set the time, then tap Save. Now, select the recommended cycle that matches the type of laundry you would like to do that also fits within your time constraints. Tap Start. Once the washer starts to load, you can cancel it or pause it remotely from the app at any time.